Oh, 2 minutes, please. Wow. Wow, you look beautiful, as always. Hey, Robin. Anyways, don't stand there. Come in. Hey, Robin? What's all this? Uh, Nothing special. I just felt a little bit spontaneous. It's been a while since we've seen each other, so just wanted to make lunch special. I'm so excited to see you. It's been such a long time since we sat like this. Wow. And yeah, it's your favorite bottle of Jamaican red label wine.
Robin?
Oh my god, do you remember the first time we met? It was back in college? Yeah, in second
Robin?
year in Mr. Gaspy's theatre class. If I profane with my most unworthiest hand, this holy shrine, my gentle fine be this, my lips, two blushing pilgrims, ready stand to smooth thy rough touch with a gentle kiss. Good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much, for which manner devotion showing this? For saints have hands, and hands do touch, and palm to palm is a holy palmer's kiss. Have not saints lips? And holy palmers too. And pilgrim, lips that they must use in prayer. Oh then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. It was definitely love at first sight. I guess we really were in love, weren't we? Is everything okay? I'm sorry, I'm just not feeling very hungry. It's fine. I guess you're still trying to get back to normal. It's fine. Don't worry. I went through this phase too. It's fine. The quarantine really has changed us, but at least drink the wine. I know that you love Jamaican red label wine. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You know me best. Yeah, I actually do love Jamaican red label wine. Hey, hey, yo, Beth. Be careful you get drunk. It's fine. Don't worry, it's fine. So, what happens if I get drunk today? I just think it's fine. Today's a day that I think we could just make it your last. Live and live big, go big. And besides, what's so wrong if I get drunk here? I mean, I'm with you, no? Yeah, don't worry about earlier. I suppose I'll eat afterwards. Mm, 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 mm. Beth Horatio Williams, will you do me the honor and marry me? Please. Oh, please. I honestly thought that I could accept this for a minute, but this was a mistake. I'm sorry, Robin. Shit, come. I mean, should I even waste your time? I shouldn't have sat here or anything. I'm sorry.
but I I can't marry you. I really can't marry you. I'm so sorry. You must be thinking that I'm such a bad person. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 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 To be honest, I actually came over here to. I actually came over here to end things, and then when you brought up the story of when you first met, and I reflect and I look at it and I'm like, yeah, I guess we really were in love, but you deserve someone better than me. You're sweet, you're kind, you're loving. You put us first, and I'm just not the person for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I wasted your time. I'm sorry.